In this video, I'll show you how to program Universal Remote for PlayStation. Step 1. Check remote type. Ensure your Universal Remote is an IR infrared remote. Newer PlayStation models like the PS4 and PS5 use Bluetooth remotes, which are not compatible with most Universal remotes. This method primarily works for older PlayStation consoles. Step 2. Manual code entry. Press and hold the setup button until the light turns on. Enter the 4 or 5-digit PlayStation code from your remote's manual. The indicator light will blink to confirm the entry. Step 3. Test and save. Point the remote at the PlayStation and test the navigation buttons. If it responds, press enter or stop to save the code. If it doesn't work, repeat the process with a new code. And that's how you program your universal remote for your PlayStation. If you found this video helpful, subscribe.